de ça. Alors, dans le premier couplet, je fais comme si je suis un policier qui arrête le président pour lui demander des questions. Et je vais répéter le couplet pour que tout le monde comprenne mieux. Okay? So here we go. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Excuse me, sir, you have a license for that war. It's inside of Mangomar. Well, what about tomorrow? Hey, Mr. President, you never present no evidence when it is fully evident that your habit needs betterment. I know who you are, could you please breathe in this back, and now let me see how straight the line you walk. How come you slur your speech like your words are out of reach? See, people like you just don't practice what they preach. You say the people shall not kill, and you have blood on your hands. So the people shall not steal, and you just take what you can. Why can't you keep it real? Why can't you just go straight?